This is the first chapter of your civics of the NCERT textbook Social and Political Life. Your first chapter of civics is Understanding Diversity. So, this chapter you will know about diversity, especially what is diversity and how to appreciate the various forms of diversity in our everyday environments. In our day to day life, we come across many diverse things like language, way of living, way of dressing, fooding, clothing, and all. So, what is diversity and where all we can find diversity, you will get to know in this chapter. Apart from this, you will also get to know about pluralism and interdependence. Now, what is pluralism and what is interdependence? Pluralism is basically the form of existing more than one, and interdependence is that each and everything is dependent on each other. Now, we will also get to know that there is a basic difference between diversity and inequality. Inequality is when some people get some things and the others don't get it. But diversity is not the same thing. Diversity is the differences within each human being. We will also get to know in this chapter to learn how to use diversity in different contexts so that we don't come in conflict with each other. We will also get to know how the constitution was made, putting all these things into priority. If we talk about the chapter, you will get to know, especially it speaks about diversity. It speaks about making friends, especially making friends who are not alike us. Every one of us are not the same to each other. The way we look, the way we write, the way we draw is all different from each other. Now, what is the special need of diversity? Why is the diversity needed and what does it gives to us? This also is dealt in this chapter. Especially the chapter deals with diversity in India. In India, we get to see a lot of people with a lot of fooding habits, lot of different customs, rituals and all. Now, in a vast country like India, having so much diversity can lead to conflicts. But how can we limit those conflicts and build a nation where each and everyone gets equal opportunities? This is dealt in this chapter. So, this chapter also has an example of Ladakh and Kerala to make you understand the diversity of these two places and how these both places are very much important to add richness to our India. So let's move on and get to know about diversity and its subtopics one by one.